Here's a quick amigurumi pattern roundup by Sweet Softies featuring all free patterns by hook size and yarn used. First up, here's my 2.25mm hook with Friends Cotton 8/4. I used it to make my no-sew pocket duck pattern. It's the perfect little keychain size. Next is my 2.75mm with Amigo XL yarn. Used it for my no-sew pocket owl and Dayu the dragon pattern. Here is my 3.25mm hook that I use with Friends Cotton 8/8. Here's another Dayu the dragon, this little guy from my no-sew pocket people pattern, and also my no-sew pocket mouse. And here's Tiny Rex, my no-sew dinosaur. Here's the baby Ashalot, also a no-sew pattern, and Pocket Penguin, again another no-sew amigurumi. Last up, here's the Granny Squared Chicken, which looks adorable in cotton yarn. Now my 5mm hook that I like to use with toucan yarn. Here's the Pocket Penguin again. Here's my no-sew sea turtle. And remember, these are all free patterns on my blog and YouTube channel. Hope you like my cute storage case from Hobby as well. It's perfect for holding hooks and crochet notions.